Hello, Geometry, Kylie Macy, full year 2016 through 2017 class. I've noticed that some people have been having trouble with the animation thing, so I decided to make a video to sort of help explain it. So I'm not really sure how to do the angle part. Um, I've made it work before, except I forget what I did. So I'm just going to show you how to change, how to make lines and points move, and make circles have different radiuses, make triangles sort of, and yeah, should be fun. So you click slider, and it gives you this. You click animation, and speed doesn't matter, and that just means it'll go both ways. It'll decrease, increase, whatever, doesn't matter. And then name it something that you can repeat. Number means that you're using it for a line, or no, for not for an angle. Angle, click angle. Do something that you can easily type. So yeah, my number will be A. A is 1. I have preset values from something I was doing before. So let's make a point. Simplest thing that you will possibly have to do with this. So to make a point, I need a letter or symbol for the point. I'll go with A because alphabet A, and this is how you have to input a point onto this thing. A, or I guess there are other ways, but this is the way I do it. A is equal to, and then we'll have the x and y value between the brackets. So let's say I wanted to do, I want to have some obvious relationship to A so that it'll move up and down. So let's say I want it to be I want it to be at whatever x value that A has, and 10y value is right in my point of view. So now I click enter. I have point A here, and because this is at 0.25, this is at 0.25. Now I change this, wee, back and forth. Yay. Okay, 0.2. B as before equals, let's throw a curveball. B is equal to A multiplied by A, comma, 10, 10, comma, I messed that up, 4, comma, A multiplied by A, which basically means it'll have a weird up and down trajectory relation proportional to the -5, blah blah blah. And I click enter, and right now it's at 425 way up here. I can make it go up, I can make it go down. Really weird. Looks cool though. So then I can add a segment between them. Just click segment. And now I have a weird segment that you could probably make some cool animation with, but not going to go into that right now. So then I have, I'm assuming you might want to make a circle that changes radius. So circle at C, and I mess it up. Okay, so you're going to need to input a circle equation down here, or I just call it a circle equation, probably not what it actually is. The equation is whatever the name of the circle is, so that this will be x, z, colon, parenthesis, whatever you, this will give it a, this will give it a value of, this will give it a a center of 10 because weird reasons, circles, blah blah blah, and this needs to be multiplied by x. So x squared minus the center at the x center of the circle plus y multiplied by y minus 10, 10, sure. And then this needs to be equal to the square of the actual radius. So if I want this to have a radius of, say, 16, I need to have 256. Whoops. 256. And that will give me a circle with a radius of 16. And that's general circle stuff. But let's say I want to give the radius relationship to a. Now I can do minus a, which will add whatever this is to it. But that's boring. So let's give it a let's give it a multiple of a. Now, because it's negative, and it can't have a negative radius, blah blah blah, it's not there. But now if I expand it to a positive, it's here. Fortunately that worked, otherwise I would have looked like an idiot. So now it's here. I can expand my circle. This line is still, the line here is still doing its thing. Circle is moving. I don't really know anything about the angles, but triangle, me like. Point. I'm just going to do points quickly. F is equal to 10 minus a, comma, 5, enter. C is equal to, you can tell I'm just making up these points off the top of my head. Then 6 minus a, 8, 6 minus a, that will always have the positive value, and blah blah blah. And now we have other point. Now we can make this a triangle. Oops. Hey, power of fixing stuff. I would say editing, but this isn't going to end up being edited, so yeah, you're stuck with this. So now I have my circle, I have my triangle doing its weird jig dance. Yay. So, yeah. Merp. No idea why I just said that. If you guys have any other questions that you think I can reasonably answer, let me know. I have about as much of a clue of how to do this as most of you guys do. I just messed around with this for a very, very long time today. Yay. Bye. For some reason I can never remember how to end this.